Hi guys, it is Grace.
And it's Grace.
From Grace and Grace.
Today we are filming a very exciting video. We are doing a haul of products that we haven't actually seen yet.
This is a Beauty Bay Black Friday haul.
We already know what we've ordered, but like we haven't actually seen the products in the flesh before. Because as you guys may not know, Beauty Bay is like an online brand that sells really nice brands.
So, the Beauty Bay discount actually starts on November the 12th and you can get 30% off on some products.
So make sure that if you do buy anything to share your Beauty Bay obsessions and hauls with hashtag Beauty Bay did good.
All the links are going to be in the description box as usual, but without further ado, let's get on with it. Let's stop messing around.
Let's see what is in this big bad boy.
And all these items obviously have discounts because it's Black Friday. So, we both got a brush set, so I feel like we should start with the brush set.
Yeah, because I feel like the brush set is a core piece of makeup. It's not makeup, but you know what I mean.
It's a brush.
You need a brush to put on makeup, so let's show the brushes.
So we both got a BH cosmetic brush. So we actually got different ones.
Oh, they're both rose gold.
I knew you would go for that one.
They're both, I know, but they're both rose gold.
This is the rose gold 13-piece brush set.
This is the BH Chic 14-piece brush set with cosmetic case.
Just you wait, I think mine also comes with a cosmetic case.
Well, if it doesn't, then yours doesn't actually state that on the packaging.
But did you get a leather Supreme box with a rose gold detailing?
But you didn't get a cosmetic case. But I got an extra brush because you got 13, I got 14. So
look how much chicer mine look. Mine are literally the
but
signature
mine are actually
ones.
called chic.
Mine are the signature
mine
ones,
are called chic,
the most
actually.
wanted. Mine was £25 and it's now £17.50, which is quite good.
And mine were £23 and now they're £16.10, so you do get a very good discount.
Let's have a little look. Oh my god, that's heavenly.
That will be such a good contour. This is brush number 2.
Mine's brush number 2.
Okay, we've got the same, but yours is just a little bit thicker.
Okay, so this is brush number 1. This is like the perfect powder brush for underneath.
Same. This is brush number 1. Oh, but they're a little bit.
Oh, they are different. Grace's is like
slanter. I guess this could be a powder brush as well.
Either that could work.
Either
job.
Oh.
You were like. We both have our third brush out. They're pretty similar.
I'm lost and I'm lost.
Right.
There's no one else.
So this is my 4th brush.
This is my 4th one. I think this could be like eyeshadow or like concealer perhaps.
I feel like I'd use this for nose contouring. Or maybe even like, just if I have to just shove them.
That is bold.
Highlight!
Yay!
So this is my 5th brush, eyeshadow. Yours is like concealer.
Yeah, or
cut crease.
Or pack.
So my 6th is another big fluffy eyeshadow brush.
My 6th is like another brush that you can sort of use to pack on eyeshadow to the lid.
This is my 7th. I would use this for like when you carve out your eyebrows or concealer.
This is my 7th. I would use it for creasage.
So for my 8th, it's like a brush that I would use for under eye eyeshadow.
My 8th is another one that I could use to like pack on concealer or pack on eyeshadow. Stop.
So for the 9th, I have a slanted brush.
For my 9th, I have this brush I would probably use for eyebrows.
So for my 10th brush, I would use this for inner corner highlight.
For my 10th brush, I would use this for like under carving the brow as well as the other one.
Yay! My 11th brush is an eyebrow brush.
Same!
Friends! My 12th brush is like an eyeliner.
I think I would use this one to sort of smoke out some eyeliner.
My 13th is a spoolie, which is so vital to have.
13th is this little one, eyeliner.
Little guy.
Little guy. And then my 14th is this little liner brush that I could just use to put on my liner.
They are the brushes. We've shown you guys every single brush. So
it's taken us 20 minutes.
So the next thing we have is a curling kit. But it's from Lustrum. But you get like loads of different curling ones,
which is sick.
5-in-1 curling set. That is really cool. That's to be a really nice Christmas present.
Yeah,
if you
so,
can,
you know, if
splash out. These were £121 and they are now £84.70, which I think is actually a really good deal. That's, as everything else, 30% off. So I think that's actually really good.
Yeah. We're gonna get these bad boys open.
Finally!
Wow.
£11.
That's so lovely. You get a glove. Woo! Put it on. You get a plug.
Guys, these are like, this looks like if you were a hairdresser you would have these.
Yeah.
You have the plug with the base so you can just put them on and have all different types of curls. This is the pouch it comes in. We're laughing because I still got the glove on. Okay, the next thing we have is something again we both got, which is the how do you pronounce this?
Anastasia.
Or is it Anastasia? It's the Glow Sugar Kit. This used to be £41 and it is now £32.80. Ah! You can take the pans out.
This one is the shade.
This is the bottom one.
Butterscotch.
And I'm going to swatch Marshmallow, which is like a white.
Ow, that really hurt my foot.
Guys, that is like iridescent. That is amazing.
Okay, so from afar,
yes!
you can see that glow.
So I'm now going to swatch Gumdrop and Grace is going to swatch Starburst. Look at that. That's got like really pretty purple colours in it.
It's like pink, like peachy. It is beautiful.
It's a really nice palette.
That is beautiful.
Where did you put it? That is a really good palette because the pan sizes are really big, so you're definitely getting value for money.
You
get
your money worth. The next thing I have is actually something I've been wanting for so long, but I've never actually got around to getting. So Beauty Bay really like
stepped up, came through.
Yeah. And I got the Pro Conceal by LA Girl. I've heard many good things about it and I'm very excited. And it was £5, it's now £3.50. That is so good.
That's really cheap.
You don't get many concealers that are that price. £3.50. And I got the shade Natural.
So the thing I decided to get was the original RCM No Colour Powder.
I've heard a lot of things about that.
I have been really interested about this. This was £13 and it is now £9.10, which again, budget is less than £10 for a powder. Yeah. So I'm really excited to give this a go actually.
The next thing I got is this Hank & Henry lip luster. Basically, when we were filming with Beauty Bay, I actually found out that I really love these products.
I did a whole video for Beauty Bay, which is actually up on their channel right this second.
Yeah, like reviewing their products, and yeah, I actually really like their products.
What shade did you get?
I got the shade Your Mum.
Was £15, now £10.50.
Wow. Look at this packaging, guys. It's like sparkly from what I remember. Look how pretty it is.
Okay, so the next thing I have is actually from Anastasia and it is the matte lipstick set.
That looks amazing.
I'm excited
That'd
to try
be such a good present, wouldn't it? Like for birthdays or Christmas.
And the shades are so me, so we're going to swatch them all. This was £22, is now £17.60.
That is so good. You get so many lipsticks in there.
You get 4.
And Anastasia are like really famous for their lipsticks as well, so.
The first shade we have is Dead Roses. Okay, that is the colour. What would you say this is? Like a pinky, purpley, dark?
Mauve.
Next shade is Spice. Okay, this is definitely a more of a nude. This is a lot less like purple tone.
That's very you, that colour.
Yeah,
they're all very you, to be fair, from what I can gather.
Yeah, I feel like this will be the one that I get the most use out of. This is Kiss. So this is definitely a lot more pink. And lastly, this is Soft Pink. So that is the last one there. Again, obviously the most pink. Obviously why it's called Soft Pink. Again, as Grace has said, an amazing present.
The next thing I have is also from Hank & Henry. It is an eye kit, right? But this eye kit, this exact eye kit, was the one that I just loved, wasn't it? Look at this packaging. You're not going to believe your eyes.
Beast your eyes.
Isn't that just incred?
And guys, it was £33, but it's now £23.10.
And then this is what they look like here. But if you do want to see like what it actually comes out as on the eye, go and watch that Beauty Bay video.
We'll link it down below.
Yeah, I used this exact palette and it was really nice and I just loved it. Oh, and at the bottom it comes with this amazing shimmer.
So the next thing I have is actually from Kevyn Aucoin and it is the sculpting powder.
Aucoin.
This was £32, it's now £22.40. Love it. I've always wanted to try a product from Kevyn Aucoin. I've never tried one of you.
No.
You get a velvet black pouch.
Wow.
And then the packaging is black with gold. Very classy.
Oh.
Here it is, guys. It's just a, as you think it would be, like a little pigment. It's in the shade Light. Okay, this is what it looks like and there's the packaging. Okay, we have one product each to show now.
I'm so intrigued by this. I didn't actually check the shade when I ordered it. Basically, it is the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost Highlighter.
In Frostbite. It was £23, it's now £16.10. I've already seen it.
Right.
Free. Like, show the camera at the same time. Open your eyes.
Wow.
Oh no, I think it's droplet, it's droplet.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Oh, you didn't
that
show the
is
camera.
psych. Okay, that is just
insane. Like,
look at it.
So the next thing I got is from Mary Badescu, and it's their acne set, and this was £28, it's now £19.60. So it comes with 3 steps. You get a acne facial cleanser for step 1, step 2 is the special cucumber lotion, step 3 is the oil-free moisturiser, and then you get a drying mask as well, and you also get a drying cream, like a little one, as a bonus.
Good present.
Really good present. We just want to say a huge thank you to Beauty Bay for sending us all of these products. They're amazing.
Yeah,
we love them all, and we're really excited to try them out. And make sure you guys go over to the website and get your 30% off on the products. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.